So one day, cuckoo clock of mine, it's before the hunter's cuckoo clock. It's called a before the hunt because the pheasant and the rabbit are standing on a piece of ground. This deer here is missing an ear, so I traced this ear onto this piece of wood, and then I have to make the wood thinner because the ears are not that thick. As you can see, they're not that thick. So I'm going to use my Dremel to sand this down, and then use the Dremel to carve the lines that are in the ear, and then glue it to the deer. It's dark in here. By using this 6-foot rule, you can't tell which ear that I put on. And if you're closer than 6 feet, you need to be behind the clock. But at least it's got an ear now. FYI, on cuckoopalace.com, brand new, this style cuckoo clock is $639. One day movement, no music, just it's $639. And it's smaller than this clock. Mine is 19 inches from the top of the antlers to the bottom of the bag. But mine is 10 inches wide, where they're saying this thing's 11.8 inches wide. But mine is taller than this clock.